Today, we're unlocking the power of the Wise digital card, your ultimate companion for frictionless global payments and smart currency conversions. First, activating your Wise digital card is incredibly straightforward. Simply open your Wise app, navigate to the Card tab, and select Get a Digital Card. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm. For online purchases, head to the payment section of your chosen website. Select Add New Card or Credit, Debit Card. Then input your Wise digital card number, expiry date, and the file securely accessible within your Wise app. Using your Wise digital card for in-person payments is equally simple. Add it to your phone's digital wallet, like Apple Pay or Google Pay, and then just tap your phone on any contactless payment terminal. It's that easy. Wise prioritizes your security. You can instantly freeze your card within the app if you misplace your device or suspect unauthorized activity, giving you complete control. Plus, for every transaction, you'll receive instant notifications, keeping you fully informed. Monitoring your spending and managing your funds couldn't be simpler. The Wise app provides a detailed transaction history, allowing you to track your expenses in real time, see exact conversion rates, and even organize your spending by category. Unlock the freedom of global spending with Wise.